Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Chaitanya Pandey and I am a student of class 6C. I am participant of clay modeling competition. I am making national word peacock from clay. So let's begin from peacock. So first of all, I have a blue clay to make a peacock. From this blue clay, I have make a body of peacock. So like this I have made her body. So now her body is done. Now I make her eyes. So now I make her eyes. So I make her eyes from white clay. So I have done her eyes. So now I make her feathers. So first of all I have a green clay. So like this. We have made all. So all I made her like this. Now with the help of scale I press it. Like this. So like this I made all like this. Now I paste her in the back of the peacock. Now we have made orange color feathers. Now paste it. Now we have to make blue color feathers. Now paste it. So completely I have done. I have pasted, first I have pasted green feathers, then yellow feathers, then orange feathers and then blue feathers. Then there her legs. These are her eyes. And these are her flying feathers. So I have completely done my peacock. Thank you so much.